Welcome to today's tutorial. Last time we created our first NFT on the marketplace, and today we're gonna put this NFT on sales. As always, the first step is gonna be connect your wallet. In the next step, my ReefChain Wallet extension will pop up and ask me to sign this message. So let's put in the password and click sign the message. Nice, so now we are connected to our account and we can click account. And here, as you can see, I'm successfully connected with my account ReefLuke, and I see my balance and my other accounts. So let's click view profile. So now we've got this page here, which is my profile, and I can do several actions on it. I can see my available items here, which is the clownfish that we just created in the last tutorial. So because we want to put this clownfish on sale, let's click on it. Okay, so this is the information for this NFT. We see the name clownfish, we see all the respective data and information to it. And in the bottom left corner, we also see available. So there are several options. Today we're gonna put our NFT on sale. So let's click put on sale. Okay, so now the Squid Marketplace asks me to enter a price and number of copies. So I'm gonna enter my price, which is 5,000 reef, approximately $28. And I'm gonna put in number of copies, which is 1. And yeah, we have this information here about the service fees, which are 2.5%. And if you need more info, you could click this question mark here. So let's check again my price and enter the number of copies, so I can click submit. Okay, so now I got this pop-up here from my ReefChain Wallet extension, and it asks me to sign the transaction. So let's click sign transaction. Perfect, so that one worked out. I got back to this overview page here. I can see all the respective data again, and I can see another option now, which is sale in the bottom left corner. I can see the price that we specified together, and I got this option of unlisting it. So basically you can unlist your NFT at any time. So now we can check out if our NFT is actually listed in sales. So let's click sales. Nice, so now we are on sales and we can see all the available items on the Squid Marketplace and our clownfish as well. So let's go click on the clownfish again. And so we're here back on our description page, and let's click unlist. So now again my extension will pop up and I have to enter my password. Click remember for next 15 minutes and sign the transaction. Okay, so now we got back to this page here. We see our available items, so let's click again on our clownfish. And we see it's unlisted. So we got this option here back again, which is available. And we see our 4 available options again. So let's do a final check, go back to sales. And now we see that our clownfish is unlisted from the sales again. So thanks a lot for your attention. In the next videos we're gonna do auctions, raffles and loans. So stay tuned for more content. If you got some questions or comments, put them in the description below. You can also find more information on the blog. So I'll put also a script there. And hit us up on all social media channels, Telegram, Discord and Twitter. And yeah, see you soon and have a good day.